Alright, we're rolling, Gumby Jean.
Hey guys.
We're gonna call him Smash. Smash! How you doing, bud?
Doing fine so far.
You a baseball fan?
I am.
Did you watch the game last night?
Unfortunately.
Same here. was not the finest moment in Astros history. I'll tell
I
you
just
that.
don't understand why they can't bring a guy in from second base
Yeah.
with a single. They don't know how to hit a single. Okay.
So here comes the hard part. We're gonna numb this up a little bit. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Gumby Jean's gonna spray a little cold chili spray on that to numb it up with some skin anesthetic, and then I'm gonna inject it. What's he gonna feel? That's good.
Stick, sting, and a burn.
There it goes. She's got it. You feeling it?
Uh-huh.
There you go. Oh, a little bee sting. Oh, it's going slow. Take a deep breath. You're pretty sensitive to it, huh?
Uh-huh.
That's a good sign, though. The sign, because when people say ow like that, it usually means it's going to work better for them. I'm sugarcoating that a little bit. Come on, Smash. You're a tennis player, right?
Yeah.
Now, do you play singles or doubles, or does it matter to you?
Have,
You do both? Okay.
mhm.
Have you won any big tournaments?
Not recently.
How long were you a pro?
I was a player about 5 years and a coach for 20.
No kidding. Did you win any interesting titles?
Not me as a player, but as a coach I did. I've coached several Wimbledon champions
Is that right?
and coached the United States Junior Davis Cup team for 10 years.
So you're not just a casual tennis player, are you?
No, I'm not.
You take the game seriously.
And I was coach of the Pan American Games U.S. team twice.
Wow.
And I would have been the Olympic coach, but we didn't go to Russia. I would have.
That would have been back in '80, right?
Yep.
Yeah, things weren't going too well between our two countries then.
Yeah.
Like they're going a lot better right now.
Yeah.
A little bit more medicine, a little deeper now. All right, that should be plenty, Gumby Jean, but hold on to that. We might need a little bit more. Those were interesting times. Young folks today, they don't know much about the old Soviet bloc and all that went on. And you got 15? Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah, we got one of these that slides out. Look at that. Clever. So you can slide it back in. That's nice. I like that kind of a safety mechanism. All right, we'll make a little incision here. Hopefully you won't feel much. Now, it looks like this has drained once before. Is that right?
Nope.
It's got a little scar or something. Maybe you got scratched there or something at some point. We're gonna make a little incision. You got kind of two of these, so we'll just right there like that. That should do it. Okay, I'm gonna actually retract the blade. I like that, Gumby Jean. That's nice. Did you feel anything?
Nope.
We'll open this up a little bit. We have a very clever, friendly looking epidermoid cyst here. A lot better than the last one we did, right, Gumby Jean?
Oh yeah.
The last one was just a mean one.
I was very angry.
Very angry one we had. Look at that pretty pearl right there. Looks like you're like an oyster. You got a little pearl there.
Dr. McClendon removed his cyst a couple of years ago.
Did
so
he?
I don't know if it was the same one that's come back or whether he...
Well, there's a little scar there. It looks like somebody had done something, but then again, maybe not. It could have been a scratch or something that just happened to be in the same spot. Coming along nicely here. I'm just spreading the skin a little bit. Let me get this little one right out of here first, I think. I got the gold handled equipment today, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see all right? I know, but that's because you treat me right.
When McClendon did it, it was already infected, so he might not, might not have got the piece out.
The sac, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes that's one of the drawbacks of trying to work on these when they're really infected is it's really difficult to get in and get the sac material, but it looks like we're seeing it pretty well now. If I block, you tell me,
You're
okay?
doing good.
This one may just pop out.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice cyst.
I only have the best.
You brought your best game today, didn't you? You want to share your age with our viewers?
76.
That just came out beautifully, didn't it?
You did?
Look at that. Nice and pearly white. One down, one to go, buddy. That one, no doubt about it. We got it all. It's out. So you had two back here, right? You could kind of tell. Did you look at this? Were you able to get a good look in the mirror with a No, you really couldn't tell. This one's a bit larger.
Mm-hmm.
Try to empty it a little bit first. Okay. Look at that. It's just beautiful.
Came out perfectly.
I mean, it's just saying, take me home. I don't want to live here anymore. Take me someplace new.
What causes them?
Boy, I wish I had a good answer for that. Look at that, beautiful. Sac came out completely intact. Nice. I knew this wasn't going to take very long. I could just tell by looking at this was going to be a real clean removal. I had a little neck procedure done due to an injury I had when I was very young, and because I had some nerve damage, and it's left me with a little bit of a tremor that sometimes comes out and sometimes doesn't. But sometimes when I'm doing these little procedures, if I put myself in an awkward position, usually I do that because I want the camera to be able to, you know, to pick up the procedure. Then I'm leaning and that kind of thing. And anyway, so puts me in a little awkward position, and it kind of puts a little more pressure on my neck and upper trapezius and brings that tremor out. Otherwise, I'm good.
Is this the kind of stitch that's going to dissolve, or am I going to have to come back and have it removed?
You're going to have remove it. You can come back and remove it in a week, or you can have a significant other take it out if you'd like. You know what? That stitch is really long. I need to shorten that stitch a little bit right there. That one right there, see it?
Watch your finger.
Oh.
I don't want to be responsible
Well, you're responsible.
for you losing.
Even if it's not your fault, you're responsible. We have a rule around here. You don't have to be responsible to be blamed. I think you're done.
And did you happen to look around my back if there's any others?
You've got some little bitty things that I don't think are ever going to cause you any problems. That's what I think.
Okay.
In fact, I don't think this would have ever really bothered you too much, except I think it was what was bothering, kind of rubbing on your shirt and stuff when you were out playing.
Yeah, it was starting to bother me. But I mean, I've had it a year, so.
Yeah. Well, that was as easy as it gets. That was fun. Smash, you're awesome. Thanks for letting us record your procedure and telling us your tennis coaching triumphs and your story. It's fantastic. You're having a little trouble with your shoulder. We're going to get you in for some therapy, okay? We talked about that. We'll take care of that as well today, all right?
Okay.
All right, my friend. So we'll see you back in a week or so. I want you to keep this clean and dry. We're going to put a dressing on it in a moment. And you can remove the dressing after a couple of days. And if you want to get it wet in the shower, that's okay. Just don't scrub on that area. It can get wet. Pat dry. Okay, don't wipe. Pat dry.
No ointments.
Yeah, and don't put any ointments on it at all. Okay?
Okay.
Thanks, bud. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, for 1 month, actually.
And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.